class and you'll be able to start working a little bit quicker. Okay, so what we're going to be creating is we're going to be starting the modelling stage of your iPhone holder or your phone docking station. Okay, so I've made a phone docking station out of a few different materials, or two different materials in fact. We've got styrofoam and we've got foam board. Okay, I've used a few different tools. Okay, but the start of the project, we need to find out what we're actually going to be putting into the iPhone or the dock holder. Okay, so we need to think about the sizes. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure your phone and we're going to create a replica of your phone, nice and quick. So you've got that, so you don't have to have your phone out during class. Okay, so what you're going to do first, you're going to measure your phone, and you're going to do the width. 63, so I'm just going to write 63, and then I'm going to measure this side, and it is 137. Okay, so now I'm going to use, I'll use this side. Okay, first thing I want to do, okay, I want to mark out roughly. Make sure I've got 137 on there, and what I want to do, I'm going to go and do about 150. Okay, and then I know this side is a right angle. Okay, this is nice and straight, so I'm going to place my tri-square onto the foam board, and I'm going to meet that line. And then I'm going to put it down on the table, and I'm going to draw a line. Then I'm going to use the safety ruler. Okay, place it down on the table, and you're going to use the scalpel. Okay, you need to be very careful to keep your fingers inside this groove, and use the correct side of the scalpel, which is sharp side. Place it into the foam board, and in one slice, you should be able to just go straight through. If you do it, do about 3 times, it should just come apart. Okay? What you want to be looking for is a nice straight edge with no tears, no rips. Okay? If you're going to be pulling it backwards and forwards, and you're going to have to like using it like a saw, then you're using it incorrectly. Okay? That's how you're going to get parts that are going to be falling off. It's not going to be nice and neat like this. Okay? So I've got a piece now. I've got 2 straight sides. I'm going to make sure that's nice and on a right angle, and then this one is not on a right angle, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go down and I'm going to draw another line down here. Just a daisy, and then slice. Okay, so now I know that I've got a piece that has got straight edges around the edges, so I can start from one edge. I'm going to mark out 137, go to here, use the tri-square again to give us a nice straight angle, and then I'm going to go and cut off that line. See, I'm starting a little bit further in front of the foam board, so when I meet the foam board, it is actually already going to cut straight through, so you don't tear the edges. There you go. And then the edge, I'm going to measure on 63mm there, and then I don't have to do it all along because I can use my tri-square. That inside there, straight line. And we should have a piece of foam board that is the same size as your phone. Okay, so you could. Okay, so we've got the phone template cut out. Now you're going to use this to work as a template for the rest of this project. Okay, so you're not going to have to use your phone.